Monster trucks you won't believe are actually moving. Wait, is that monster truck moving or just sitting still? You won't believe your eyes. Some of these trucks seem frozen, but they're actually roaring forward at insane speeds. Let's dive into this mind-blowing illusion. Monster trucks are absolute beasts, massive, powerful, and built for chaos. But what if I told you that some of them can actually trick your brain into thinking they're not moving? Stick around, because today, we're uncovering the secrets behind these monster illusions. Most people think monster trucks are just loud, heavy machines made for crushing cars and pulling insane stunts. But here's where it gets weird. Some of these trucks can move so smoothly that they look like they're stuck in place even when they're flying through the air. But why does this happen? And how does their design make it possible? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the size. These giants stand over 12 feet tall, with tires that can be over 5 feet wide. But despite their weight, sometimes over 10,000 pounds, monster trucks are built with insane suspension systems and lightweight frames that let them glide over rough terrain. And that's where the illusion happens. When a truck is moving at the perfect speed and angle, combined with the right camera frame rate, your brain gets tricked into thinking it's standing still. Even dirt flying off the tires can create a weird visual effect where the background moves, but the truck seems frozen in time. It's all about motion physics and how our brains process speed. Alright, here comes the craziest part. Some monster trucks use special gear ratios that let them roll at low RPMs while keeping high torque, making them look like they're barely moving even when they're pushing thousands of horsepower. And watch this slow motion footage of a monster truck mid-jump. The tires seem locked in place, but in reality, it's soaring at full speed. These trucks are breaking the laws of physics, or at least, making us question them. So, next time you see a monster truck looking way too still while moving, remember it's all an illusion. From tire rotation tricks to slow-motion brain benders, these machines are built to blow our minds. If you love this breakdown of monster truck illusions, hit that like button and subscribe for more jaw-dropping content. And tell me in the comments what's the craziest monster truck stunt you've ever seen. See you in the next one.